It's me, Funds. I'm back and welcome to a special lesson about spending wisely. Today, we'll learn how to make smart choices with money. Money choices. Money can be like a magical tool. It helps us get the things we want and need. But sometimes we have to make choices. Do you see this person? They're thinking about all the different things they can use their money for. A new car, a vacation, school, a new house, or a new goal. Don't forget, we have needs and wants. Needs are like the important stuff such as food and clothes. Wants are like the extra fun stuff like toys and snacks. We use our money for both, but we should always take good care of our needs first. Making a list. Before people go shopping, they do something really smart. They make a list of the things they need to buy. It's like a secret plan to remember everything. Smart shopping. Now, let's talk about being a super smart shopper. When you go shopping, look around. You might find some things on sale or with special discounts. Saving money. Making clever choices with our money can make us feel like superheroes. Imagine your piggy bank getting fuller and fuller because you made such good choices. Saving money. So, what's next on our money adventure? It's all about money and goals. Great job, little money explorers. Keep learning and making smart choices with your money. See you soon.